Hey everyone at Techno Tutor TV. One of the best things about YouTube TV is that you can watch it on almost any device you own. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and enjoy YouTube TV on your TVs, mobile devices, and more. YouTube TV works with a wide range of devices, including many smart TV models from Samsung 2017 Plus, LG 2016 Plus, Vizio, Hisense, Sharp, and Sony. It's also compatible with popular streaming players like Chromecast, Google TV, Roku, Apple TV, 4th generation and 4K, Fire TV Stick, and Cube. If you're a gamer, you can watch on Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, PS4, and PS5 consoles. And of course, you can enjoy it on your Android phones and tablets, running Android 5.0 Lollipop and up, and on iPhones/iPads, running iOS 10 or later. Setting up on most smart TVs and streaming players is quite similar. First, go to the App Store on your device, whether it's the Google Play Store, App Store, Roku Channel Store, or Amazon App Store. Search for YouTube TV and download and install the app. Once installed, open it and sign in with the same Google account you used to subscribe to YouTube TV. After signing in, you'll be able to browse channels, watch live content, and access all your recordings. On phones and tablets, the process is even simpler. Open the Google Play Store if you have Android, or the App Store if you have an iPhone or iPad. Search for YouTube TV and download the app. Open it and sign in with your Google account. That's it. You can now enjoy YouTube TV on your mobile device wherever you go. Here are a few extra tips to make your experience even better. If you have a Chromecast, you can cast YouTube TV directly from your phone or computer to any TV with a Chromecast connected. If you're an Apple user, you can use AirPlay to stream from your iPhone or iPad to an Apple TV. Remember to always use the same Google account on all your devices to access your subscription, your channels, and your recordings. Keep in mind that YouTube TV generally allows streaming on up to 3 devices simultaneously. We hope this guide from Techno Tutor TV has been a great help in setting up YouTube TV on all your devices. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.